So I didn't know what those were at first, but these are air fresheners, and they gave me 2 of them. So shout out to FT86 Speed Factory. I needed air fresheners. New taillights. If you look in there, there's a lot of liquid. Basically, all you have to do though is get the plastic removal tools, take these out, which I showed in the last video, but I'll show it again because it's not that super hard to do. So what you need to do is get back here and remove this piece. Take that out, and this one right here. If I can get it with one hand. We'll get there, we'll get there. Fuck off. Okay, there we go. So those 2, and then you should be able to just pull it back like this, which we did last time. You're gonna need to take off this stupid clip here. If you don't want to destroy your hands, I suggest getting a wrench. And you need to take off these 4 bolts. There's one there, one was attached, and then, you know, you just have to loosen them a little bit more than that. Please. Yeah, there we go. And then you can get them the rest of the way off with your hands. And I'm gonna go do that off camera because this is really fucking difficult to do with just one hand. Oh, god damn it. But that's kind of a common issue that the BRZ FRS 86 is kind of have. You do need to unplug it. It's just like one little clip, and you're gonna plug it in on here. If you have the Valentis, the ones that I got that are sequential, there's a button right there that turns the sequential lights on and off. So this right here will move. I'll show it when it's on the car. You do have to take these off so that you can mount those little screws again. How they're plugged in, they look like from that to this over here, which is just, it comes up more orange on camera, but it is in fact just straight up red, which looks so cool. It's literally just plug and play right over here. And like I said, the switch, I'll show you the sequential turn signal and the not sequential turn signal. All I have to do is still screw these in, if the camera will focus. I have to screw those in and put the original bolts back on. I already did this one and put that back on, but I am gonna tighten this down because it's just hand tight right now. But I will get back once I am done. Okay, so here's the difference between the sequential and the non-sequential. This one is the non-sequential, so it's just a solid arrow turning that way. But if you go over here, this one goes do 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 do, and that's literally the only difference. If you go back here, you'll be able to see it once I adjust the exposure. Yeah. I like the ones on that side, so I'm gonna be switching that one to also being sequential because it's just cooler in my opinion. Another thing, you're gonna make sure that these are bolted down as like tight as you can get them, because, well, this one is, but this one over here is not. So you can move it, and you don't want that. So you just got to make sure that these bolts, these new ones right there, are down as tight as they can be.
We got wasted all the time.